Fáilte Isteach. Welcome to Transition Year in eolais. In eolais, we believe transition year to be hugely beneficial. Our mission statement: to further the social, emotional, cognitive, physical and spiritual development of our students, to encourage independent, self-directed learning, to encourage mature reflection on future educational and vocational options. Recent studies describe transition year and its components as powerful occasions of learning. As part of our transition year programme, we mix the class groups once again at the beginning of transition year. This helps the students with their social and personal development. Other important aspects of school life remain the same: the school journal, tutor group classes, attendance and punctuality, school rules and policies, and the school uniform. Familiar school subjects such as Irish, English, Maths, French and German are joined by new subjects for the students: relationship and sexuality education, career guidance, drama, foreign languages, work experience preparation, journalism and the media. Students will also have an opportunity to sample all Leaving Cert subjects available in the school. At the end of the year, they will have to make their choice for Leaving Cert. In transition year, PE takes the form of Gníomhaíochtaí Scíche. The students get the opportunity to try different forms of fitness training. In previous years, the students have tried yoga, spin, tag rugby, boot camp, rowing, boxing, badminton, CrossFit, and many other types of exercise. Seachtain na Doras is an important part of our transition year programme. 3 weeks of the year are chosen where the students go out on educational trips and activities. There is an extra cost with these trips. Gaisce, the President's Award, is offered to the students in transition year as an extracurricular activity. Another important aspect of transition year in eolais is taithí oibre or work experience. There are 3 weeks in the year We encourage students to seek out and apply for work experience places as soon as possible, as places tend to fill up very quickly. During work experience, we would ask students to maintain their portfolio or diaries. They will learn how to do letters of application and CVs in their English classes, and samples of the work that the students did in previous years are Radio na Lifa, Éireann Road Éireann, Fighting Words, Dublin County Board, Fire Brigade, Dáil Éireann, Mater Dei, An Garda Síochána, and many, many more. Assessment and valuation of the students' work is carried out throughout transition year. We use the transition year portfolio, exams at Christmas and summer. We also have a certificate awarded based on gold, silver and bronze. Reports are also sent home 3 times a year, and at the end of the year, a student is named Dalta na Idirbhliain, or Student of the Year. We will accept registration for transition year 2021-2022 when the students return to school after Easter. Unfortunately, due to the uncertainty surrounding COVID restrictions in September, we must postpone our induction weekend until later in the year. We hope to bring certainty to this in September. If you have any further questions regarding transition year in Gael Colosteraachran, please contact the school and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Gur míle mágaí.